Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about prokaryotic gene regulation, which typically occurs at the level of transcription. A positive control mechanism occurs when the binding of the regulatory protein to the operator helps start transcription. This means that the regulatory protein is known as an activator. A negative control mechanism occurs when the binding of the regulatory protein to the operator stops transcription. This means that the regulatory protein is known as a repressor. Effectors are molecules used by the cell to know when an operon should be transcribed. In an inducible system, a small effector molecule binds the regulatory protein to turn on transcription. In a repressible system, a small effector molecule binds to the regulatory protein to turn off transcription. Each of these can be combined to describe modes of regulation, but today we're going to focus on the negative inducible system in terms of the lac operon. An operon is a group of genes that contains the promoter as well as structural genes that are going to be transcribed. These structural genes are LAC-Z, LAC-Y, and LAC-A. In this negative inducible system, where lactose is not present, we have an active repressor regulatory protein, represented by the green diamond. This repressor is going to bind to the operon at the operator binding site, which is a regulatory DNA sequence. We also have RNA polymerase, represented by the triangle, that is now not going to be able to bind to the operator at the promoter region because the repressor is blocking it. This means that transcription will be blocked and will not be able to occur. With lactose being present in a negative inducible system, it can now be converted into what is known as allolactose. This is going to act as a small effector molecule and bind to the repressor, changing its conformation and making it inactive. This means that the regulatory protein can no longer bind to the operator binding site. RNA polymerase can now bind to the promoter region, which is also a regulatory DNA sequence, and initiate transcription. In hopes to better understand a negative inducible system, we have this analogy. The Easter Bunny is on its way to deliver Easter baskets to the children in Raleigh. On his way, a ram stops him and tries to steal the baskets. In order to distract the ram, the Easter Bunny throws a candy behind him so that way the ram is more focused on the candy rather than stealing the baskets. In this analogy, the ram is going to act as a DNA binding protein because it is trying to stop the bunny just as it would try and stop transcription. The candy is going to act as a small effector molecule because it is distracting the bunny and allowing it to continue, just like how it would allow transcription to continue. That is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching.